Hey, how the freak is it going? My fellow supporters, my wonderful people, my amazing, dazing, freaking beautiful human beings, all right? I hope you all are having a wonderful day, because if you ain't, you're done, buddy. I'ma find you and cook you a nice dinner and a meal and stuff your mouth with some delicioso food. But all seriousness though, this video is just to announce that we're making a few changes within the channel. First thing, we're changing the name of the channel. We used to be YaBoiiReese, but now we are YaBoiiReese. Let me get right here so you can see YaBoiiReese. All right. Anyways, I'm gonna just break down everything, you guys, because I've been planning this and been reminiscing about it for quite some time now. I've kind of been skeptical and scared at the same time of making this change, but we're really not that big of a channel yet. We're still pretty small. So I just went on ahead and took the risk just for long-term effect. So far what I built, I freaking love it. You know, I love it, and I am very grateful for everyone that support me. And you know, I never had that before, and it feels great. And I'm not throwing it away, not at all. We're just entering a new era in the channel. That's all. It's nothing to worry about. The plan is Monday through Saturday. All right, Monday through Saturday. Upload videos. And we're gonna cut the streaming time down to once a week, bro. I know. Calm the freak down. Calm down. All right. Listen, because I can't do both at the same time. And if I wanted to pick one, I would say I wanted to make more videos because it's better that way. I mean, most people don't go back and watch streams. You know what I mean? And yeah, videos is just something to come back to. So I'm gonna switch from streaming more to making videos more and streaming less. If that, you know, you get the freaking picture. That's the whole deal. I know it's a change, a drastic change, but it's something that we all gonna have to adapt to. I'm new to it. You're new to it. With that being said, man, that's all I really had to bring to the table. We just entering a new phase, a new era. You know, something that we're gonna have to adapt to. More videos, less streaming. And a name change. We are now YaBoiiReese. We're just gonna focus up on this, and we're going all in, baby. We're going all in. So I need y'all with me. You in with me? Put your hand right here. Place your hand on top. But just to let y'all know, I'm starting a series on Red Dead Redemption 2. So make sure you tune in into it. We gonna get on up out of here. I love you guys. Make sure y'all take care. Until next time, my brothers and sisters.